Hey you guys, it's Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today is Transfer Tuesday and it's very muggy outside, but I hope the lighting is good. It's just because it's raining and everything. But anyways, before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below and let me know if you are going to be doing Transfer Tuesday or the 52-week challenge. And yeah, so let's get started so this won't run over. So we're going to do our Transfer Tuesday right now. So if you haven't heard of Transfer Tuesday, I always tell you go watch Penny's Not Perfection. She is amazing. I will link her stuff down below. And today we are going to put, how much are we going to put? We are going to put $20 towards our savings. Nothing too big, but at least it's something, right, you guys? Alright, so we're going to do $20 for today on the 18th. We're going to do it one time. Now, as I always say, do not go and look for the savings, like the balances. These are not right because I do transfer money for like my bills and everything, so don't pay attention to that. But savings, $20. Continue and submit. So we submitted that. So I will do a updated, debt emergency fund to see where we are at, because technically I'm not even tracking. I should be tracking, but we will do a updated one so y'all will know where I am at. All right, next we are doing the 52-week challenge, and I got my little snowflake box. So if you are doing it, it should be, I think I'm a week behind, so it should be like week 7 or so, or 8, 7 or 8. I'm on week 7 right now, so we're probably on week 8 right now. But today we are going to be putting $30. Now, if you're new, I do not go in order. I do not go backwards. I actually pick what I want. I have seen people fish out like pieces of paper out of the fish bowl or anything like that. I do watch somebody that does that, and I think it's freaking awesome. Very creative. Did not think of that. So we are just going to put $30. So I'm trying my best to knock out this side, but it's going to be really hard because, you still have to pay bills, and, you have to stuff your sinking funds and still pay debt and all that stuff. So I am going to try my best. I need encouragement, you guys. I want to know how y'all are doing on y'all's 52-week challenge. Let me know how y'all doing. Are y'all doing it in order, backwards? Are y'all doing it like me? Are y'all picking it out of the jar? I just want to know what y'all are doing and how much you have saved so far. We're going to calculate, or not calculate, but we're going to count how much I have, and then we're going to compare, you guys. So leave your comments down below on how much y'all have. Oops, let's see. There's 5, there's 10. All right, let's see. We have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. $109, you guys. And that is just from, well, for me, it's only from 7 weeks. I'm just going to write 7 just so I can track on what day or what week that I actually colored in, or what week, you know what I'm talking about. But anyways, so that is great. Let me know how much y'all are saving right now. If you're doing something else, or if you're doing the penny challenge or the dime challenge, the 52-week challenge, there's also I think a 10-week challenge. Like, let me know what y'all are doing, and be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you click that notification button because you will be notified every time I upload a video. And I'm so happy that I have new subscribers. Thank y'all for coming over and hanging out with me, you guys. And let me know if you have a channel, because I would absolutely love to go and get to know you guys. And then for my regular people who actually come over and watch every single videos, I absolutely love you. But anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.